While the Galaxy Z Fold may 5th be one of the best foldable phones on the market, many people don't like how the front screen is too long and discomforting to use. With Samsung's competitors trying to steal market share by showing customers a better way to do things, the South Korean giant has apparently realized that users may not be willing to put up with thinner screens any longer and has made the cover display on the Fold 6 wider. Ice Universe, a trustworthy source for all things Samsung, shared a picture on X that shows how the outside screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks different from the Fold 5. Ice says that the Fold 6's cover unit is wider than the Fold 5's width and bezel width put together. It was said before that the width would grow from 57mm to 60mm. Another thing that stands out is that the screen seems thinner across the top and bottom. This is likely because the aspect ratio has changed from 22:9 to 23:1:9. The screen is said to be the same 6.3-inch diagonal size as the current generation. This means that it won't be as wide as Samsung's best regular phones, but that can be anticipated since this is a bendable phone and even a small increase in width will change how you use it a lot. The phone's hinge also seems to be thinner, and Ice Universe writes on the Chinese social media site Weibo that when the phone is closed, its body is only 1mm bigger than the Fold 5, which is 68.1mm wide. What this means is that Samsung was able to make the screen bigger without making the body wider as well. That means it will feel the same as the Fold 5 when you hold it. In more renders that the leaker shared, we can see the back of the phone, which has sharper lines, as well as the new design for the camera module. It is said that the camera setup on the phone will be better than the current generation. Overall, the Fold 6 seems to have a lot of useful improvements, but this could make the phone pricey. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.